Need to reinstall Windows 10, fix a broken PC, or set up Windows on an older laptop? You can create a Windows 10 bootable USB completely free using Microsoft's official Windows files and a free tool called Rufus. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download the Windows 10 ISO for free and turn a USB drive into a bootable Windows installer. So, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Windows 10 download. Open the official Microsoft website. Depending on your browser, you may not see the direct ISO download option immediately. If that happens, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. At the top of the Inspect panel, click the mobile device icon to switch the page into mobile view, then refresh the page. Once the page reloads, close the Inspect panel and scroll down again. You should now see the option to download the Windows 10 ISO directly. Select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO and click Confirm. Next, choose your language and confirm it again. Now select the 64-bit download and the Windows 10 ISO will start downloading. The file is several gigabytes in size, so give it some time to finish. While that's downloading, open a new tab and search for Rufus. Go to the official Rufus website and download the latest version. Rufus is completely free and doesn't require a complicated installation. Once both files are ready, open your Downloads folder and launch Rufus. Now plug your USB flash drive into the computer. You'll need a USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage. Creating the bootable USB will erase everything on the drive, so make sure you've backed up anything important before continuing. After that, click Select and choose the Windows 10 ISO you downloaded. Now, here you need to choose whether your PC uses MBR or GPT, but here's a little trick. Instead of checking your BIOS mode manually, simply press Alt+E on your keyboard. Rufus will enable its option to create the USB in a way that supports both MBR and GPT systems, so you don't have to worry about choosing the correct one manually. Now rename your USB drive anything you like. Once everything looks correct, click Start. Rufus may show a warning or another small pop-up. Confirm the options and click OK to continue. Rufus will now format the USB drive and copy all the Windows installation files onto it. This may take a few minutes, so just wait for the process to finish. When the status shows ready, your Windows 10 bootable USB is complete. You can now close Rufus and safely eject the USB drive, and that's it. You've created a Windows 10 bootable USB completely free, using Microsoft's official Windows ISO and the free Rufus utility. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.